What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Simplesickbuilds. Today we got my boy Marcos back there. This boy went carbon fiber crazy and he purchased more stuff for his Lexus Sport. So we're gonna go ahead and throw some little quick add-ons. This is a quick video, but I thought I'd record it that way you guys can see what he bought. Unfortunately, I won't be able to link it because I guess he bought the last ones that this guy had on eBay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and show you the parts that he got for this thing. Alright, you guys, so homeboy went off and got some carbon fiber mirror caps. The reason for this stick is he already went off and got them clear coated just to keep it safe. He went off and he actually got plugged with the clear to hook them up, so they're gonna look pretty nice. I really hope that homeboy does more stuff to the front of the car, like a lip. He said he bought a lip. And I don't know if I should show you, but we're going to go ahead and add some double-sided tape first to this thing. Don't mind this blue tape. I put it on there because I was messing with it. We're going to put some double-sided tape, and we're going to go ahead and install the first one here. But before we do that, we got to prep this area. So we're going to go ahead and clay bar it and get it ready because it's going to get covered with that cap. We want to make sure it's clean. And yeah, not much to be done besides clay bar it, double-sided tape, adhesive promoter, and slap it on here. So let's go ahead and let's do some clay barring. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and install the first one. So I put double-sided tape right here on this side, this right here, and this right here. Unfortunately, this side right here, let me see if I can show you. This right here, it doesn't actually touch it. But hopefully these things are enough, and this is enough to hold it in place. And yeah, a little sketched out if this is gonna hold, but it should, you know. Like everything else, it was made for this. So let's go ahead and install it. So the first one went down perfectly. Actually, not too bad, honestly. Not bad at all. Cleaned it up a little bit. You know, this was, I guess, a custom-made part, correct? It was custom. Yeah, it was custom-made. It wasn't just some, like, factory where he ordered it from. Some guy custom-made it for his car, and he put it on eBay? Yeah, eBay, right? eBay, and my boy saw it, and he goes, let me try to get it. And he got it for a good price, so... Fortunately, I won't be able to leave a link. If you guys do know where they sell these at a cheap price, under $150, because my boy paid under $150 for them, let us know down in the comments below. But for now, let me go ahead and time lapse it, and we're going to do the opposite side, and then I'll show you both of them done. So here it is. We finished them, looking super clean. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. I think homeboy needs a lip. I'm hoping he gets like a black lip. Little splitter. Carbon mirrors on point to go with the carbon duckbill. Looks pretty nice. And as well with the steering wheel. Whole boy's been going crazy with the carbon though, but I like that little carbon touch he did right there. Drop a comment down below. What do you think he should pick up next for it? He's still debating on other things, but yeah, so far this build is coming out nicely. You know, he doesn't want to lower it. We already talked about that. He doesn't want to lower it, or he doesn't want to do other rims. He's gonna keep these rims. These rims are not that bad either, so. I approve. Alright you guys, so today's video was super short. I didn't film an outro because it was last minute, you know. Sometimes we don't plan stuff. Boy hits me up, says come through. I bought some stuff. I was like, cool, what could he have got? And turns out it was some carbon fiber mirror caps. They look super nice. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the mirror caps. Is it too much carbon? He needs more carbon. I don't know. That's his choice, but we would like some input as well, because I'm pretty sure there's people out there that are carbon crazy, you know, with the fenders, hood, doors, side skirts, all that crazy stuff. And hey, to each its own. If you guys like it, do it. Don't let another stop you or tell you otherwise. So with that being said, guys, consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.